walleye.
All right, we're here for another episode of Cooking with the Kowalskis. What are we making?
Walleye.
Walleye. We got some walleye from my walleye guy. Shout out to Dusty. Fresh walleye from the pure lakes of Nebraska. We're gonna show you how we're gonna make it here. Got here, Harper.
That's the walleye, and this is the flour, and this is the egg.
Panko?
And paper.
Okay, she got it. We're gonna take the walleye, dip it in some flour, little egg wash, panko, and put it on the stove, right?
Yeah.
All right. The flour first. We go like this side, then flip it over. Get that nice and floured up. All right, shake it off, and then dip it in the egg. Good. And flip it. Good. Shake that off, and then we go with the panko. Help me put it in there. All right. And then put it on the other side.
I have to sprinkle it with some paper.
You like to sprinkle it on? Okay. All right, there we go. All right, we're gonna do that with the rest of the fish and show you what we're gonna do next. Good work. All right, we got our potatoes cooking in this pan. Put the fish down with some butter on this pan. Let that cook a bit and give her a flip. All right, we just flipped the walleye, and once it gets nice and golden brown and crispy, a couple more minutes on this side. Potatoes are done. What are you eating? Harper, what are you eating?
I'm eating honey melon.
She's eating a hominy melon. It's kind of like a cantaloupe, but 10 times better. Getting real fancy tonight. To finish it off right before the fish is done, just cut up some basil, put it in, get some butter melting here, make a little basil butter sauce, and then you can just kind of drizzle that over all the fish. Just gives it a nice little finish to when it's done there. All right, looking good. Here's the finished product. We got our potatoes, little cucumber, tomato, and mozzarella salad, and the walleye. Here's the final test. How is it?
Good.
There we go.